Hello, and in today's videos I'm going to be unboxing some Pokemon cards, and these are some of the new editing tools. They are very smart, and I hope you enjoy.
So yeah, let's unbox this. Well, actually, let's look at the box. So it has a giant card, 2 smaller cards, 4 packs. That's the text. Yeah. So let's open this Pokemon box. Hold on. There we go. This got into Smith Toy Superstores yesterday. I was the first one to get in that store. So I think I was the first. One of the first ones, I think. I don't know. Box. Got the cards. Open them up. This is the big card, my hand for reference. And then cat's chasing its tail. And we've got this shiny basic, pretty cool. And then so yeah, there we go. And then the 4 packs are actually 2 different kinds. So wait, no, there's 3 different kinds. So I've got these, got this one, and then this one. So start with these 2. And so we've got a crystal, Sphex Clear Crab with a big rock, Onyx, really cool Onyx, got Fiddle, I think, and then we've got Nickit, we've got a Earthen Vase, it's ancient, and then we've got a Medical Energy, and then we've got a Iron Bundle from the future. Got a shiny Bound Sweet. Got a shiny Whismur. Got a shiny DXLease. Also shiny. And then a normal basic energy. Got one of those. Right, so now another one of these. Right, there we go. And then once I open it, put that to one side, and then we've got a Nata, whatever. Got a Purloin, I think. We've got main food. And then we've got I already have this one. Fur seed. Then we've got another ancient silver wing. Oh, we've got the evolution fur fawn. And then we've got the cursed duster. Got a shiny Yveltal.
Okay. So it's not
Got
the one that's just
a
got divorced, that's the other one.
Vanillux ice cream. Oh, shiny. Then have a shiny Garganicle.
Where are you feeling all under?
And we've got a basic energy. We've got this one. So then, alright, that was quick. That was quick. And then first up, we've got a Pikachu. Already have a Pikachu. Growlithe. And I already have a Klink, but this is a different version of said Klink. Then we've got a Wilmer. And then we've got a Dratini. And then we've got a shiny Primortal. Wait, I got a V! I got a V! This is the first time I've got a V from just a deck. From just a pack, I mean. I got a V! I got a... Uh-oh. Got a V. Got a uh-oh V. Got a blue water energy. Got a Meowstic. We've got gym trainer. Then we've got the Curlie. And then we've got this. And then can't believe I got a V. That's the first V I've gotten from a pack. I do have like some from decks, but yeah. It's the first time I've pulled a V. Yes, hello Cobweb. Want to say hi Cobweb? No? Okay, that works. So we've got Mewile. Then we've got Togomedoro. And then we've got Graveyard, which is a version of this but dead. We've got Lechonk. Already have one of those. And then a Stunfisk. And a Umbreon. Evolution from Eevee. Pretty cool. And then we've got Poppy. And then we've got a shiny Cypher. And then we've got a shiny Scoovot. Jesus, Cobweb. What made you want to suddenly sprint? And we've got a shiny Toxicity, blah blah. And then we've got a blah 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 blah. So electric, and then another basic water energy. And yeah, so no longer do my outros. Just like, subscribe, and ring that bell. And comment if you can. Yeah, outro.
These are codes for a mobile game called Pokemon Unite, and thanks for watching.